Hi, handsome. Look at you. Wow. You look so handsome today. Dang. Look at you getting all pretty. Oh my goodness. Who is this brand new chick? It's a brand new chick. Look how beautiful. You sharpening those blades? Wow. I've never seen you get into cleaning this much where your hair looks so brand new. Your hair looks so clean. Look at those pristine feathers. You look like $1,000,000 all crispy dollars. Good quality crispy dollars. Yes, sir. You're probably the only boy in the whole wide world that's actually handsome. Yep. You are cute. My goodness. Look at this man. He is extremely cute. Wow. What you thinking about? Look at that hair. Looks brand new. Lemon drop. Lemon, are you getting shy? Are you getting bashful? This is going to be dedicated to you. Your pastime activity is to look into the mirror and ask, who are you? Who's in the mirror? Where's your mirror? Uh-oh. What are we doing now? Getting more fluffy? Oh my goodness. Look how cute. He's so handsome. Wow. He's a pretty boy. Wow. You're nice and soft. You did a good job cleaning yourself. My camera is not videoing very well tonight. I don't know why. You feel so good that your mouthing's open. You feel so good that your mouthing's open. Ooh. Wow. You're one handsome, cool little dude. What do you think? Does Lemon Drop look like $1,000,000?